Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our chef-based refrigerators. Okay, this is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot, all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this unit. Starting with the length, you're looking at 36 inches front to back. You're looking at a total of 32 inches, and the overall height, you're looking at a total of 26 inches. Okay, the unit does have casters already installed, so it makes it easier for use. You have your drawers, 2 drawers for this chef-based model. We'll go ahead and open these up, show you the inside there. You will have 2 drawers for this model. Okay, also on the front, we have our temperature controller. This is where you can set your temperature for the unit. Also, the temperature for the refrigerator will show on there once it's on and running. You have your switch as well on the front. And we're going to go ahead and show you the back as well for this unit. So we'll go ahead and turn it around here. And on the back, you will be able to locate your plug for this unit. It's a standard US plug. You also have a sticker on the back with all the specs, circuit diagram, and certifications regarding this chef base. Okay, so the unit information will be located on the back. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this 2-drawer, 36-inch chef base refrigerator. Now, if you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.